Today's soccer activity, all you're going to need is a soccer ball. I'll have music and you're going to do the activity with me. So set this device up somewhere where you can watch it and do the exercise. If you're going outside, make sure it's in the shade so it doesn't overheat. Grab that soccer ball, find some place you can have some room to do some exercises, and then come back and unpause the video. Today's music is thanks to Lisa, Sam, and Will. Thank you, Lisa P, Sam, and Will. We really appreciate it. First thing we're going to do is just jog in place while you're holding that soccer ball. We're just going to get warm, jogging in place, holding that soccer ball. If you want to move it out and in, that'll give you a little bit more of a workout. That's up to you. But we're holding that soccer ball and jogging in place. If you haven't started, go ahead and start. Again, if you take that ball and move it out and then back in a little, gives you a little more of a workout. But we're just jogging in place to get warm. All right, start going with your side to side steps. Big steps side to side. Again, still holding that soccer ball, because since we're not using it, we can pretend we're goalies and working on controlling that soccer ball, holding that soccer ball. All right, now we're going to do some toe taps. Placing that soccer ball on the ground, I'm going to back up to make sure you can see me. Placing that soccer ball on the ground, you're going to switch off which toe is on top. I'm doing it slow right now, just to show you. Don't stand on that ball, because then you'll slip, you'll fall. Your pressure, all your body weight is on the toe or foot that's on the ground as you switch. A little faster, it looks like this. So back up a little, we're all going to do it together. These are called toe taps. All right, go ahead and start your toe taps. Again, thank you to Lisa, Sam, and Will for the music. Keep going. Keep going with your toe taps. All right, stop and come back over to the monitor to see what's next. We're going to start lightly tapping that soccer ball, doing what's called bells. And again, this is slow. But I'm showing you how to control it with your toes. When you pick it up a little, it looks like this. So go ahead and back up. Get where your soccer ball is and work on those bells, back and forth with your toes. Back and forth with your toes. Bend your knees. Try to control that ball in one spot. If it goes up a little, bring it back with your toe. These are called bells. Looks like the inside of a bell going back and forth. All right, you can stop, shake it out a little. All right. All right, I've turned the music off so you can hear the next step a little better. This is called toe manipulations, and what you're going to do is use your toe, not your whole foot, but your toe, to move the ball forwards, then backwards, side to side. Forwards, backwards, side to side, using your toe again, not your whole foot, not your heel, but just your toe, and you're balancing on that off foot, that plant foot that's on the ground. Okay, don't try to balance on the ball with this foot, with the foot touching the ball. And it doesn't matter what foot you start with, because we're going to switch halfway through. So toe manipulations, go to your ball, get ready to move it forwards, backwards, outside and in. Again, thank you Lisa P, Will, and Sam for the music. All right, toe manipulations, go ahead and go back to your ball. Doesn't matter what foot you're using, but use your toe to move it forwards, backwards, outside, and in. Thank you, Will, for this track. And we'll switch a few times. Go ahead and switch now. So move to that other foot. Up, back, out, and in. Up, back, outside, inside. You're manipulating that ball, moving that ball, manipulating it with your toe only. Other knee is bent and balanced. All right, switch back to that first foot. Go ahead and shake out your legs if you want. We're going to switch back to that first foot. You want to start with that ball out a little ahead of you and on that side of your body. I'm working on my right, so the ball's staying on that side as I bring it up, back, outside, and in. Probably looks different on the screen. Probably looks like I'm using my left, but this is my right. All right, switch to your other foot. That second foot again. Up, back, out, in. Up, back, out, and in. There you go. Up, back, out, in. Don't stand on that ball. Keep your weight on that foot that's on the ground. All right, good job. You can stop. If you haven't been getting any water, grab some water if you'd like it. All right, now we're gonna sit on the floor and do some soccer sit-ups. Watch me first. I turn the music off so you can watch me first. The first one I'm gonna do, the only thing touching the ground is gonna be my bottom. If you look from the side, the only thing touching the ground is my bottom. Shoulders are up, knees are up, and feet are out. And I take that ball and you move the ball side to side like this. Keeping your feet up, keeping your knees up, your legs are straight, legs are up. Only thing touching the ground is your bottom. That's our side to side. Then we'll do our sit-ups with a soccer ball, where when you go down, the ball touches the ground behind you. Then when you come up, the ball touches your feet in front of you. So down, touches the ground behind you. Up, touches your feet in front of you. So we're gonna start with those side-to-side sit-ups. Go ahead and walk over to your ball and pick it up. I'll turn some music on now. It'll be from Sam. Thank you, Sam. All right, so we're gonna do our side-to-side sit-ups first. Feet are out and up. Only thing touching the ground is your bottom. Go ahead and start if you have it. Ball goes side to side. Keep going. All right, Now we're gonna move to those sit-ups that go all the way down. Ball touches the ground, come back up, ball touches your feet. Go ahead and start those forward and back sit-ups if you haven't started already. Keep going. All right, now we're gonna go back to those side-to-side sit-ups. I'll face straight. Remember, the only thing touching the ground is your bottom. Feet are up in the air, shoulders are off the ground, and you're moving that ball side to side. Go ahead and start if you haven't. Part of the balance is what makes it hard. Keep that balance, keep those feet up. Try to keep your body straight while you move that ball side to side. All right, now we'll go back to those forward and back sit-ups. Forward and back sit-ups. Ball touches the ground, ball touches your feet. Go ahead. Again, thank you to Lisa, Will, and Sam for the music. All right, you can stop. Whew. Go ahead and stand up. Great job today, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Hope you had fun. Hope you had a good workout. Hope you're sweating a little. Stay active.